Could have you as well. With old crappy Kmart shit. Here's a radio portion on it at work while we're packing the stuff. But it doesn't work. It works all of a sudden, then the sound cuts out. Now it's fine. Now it works all of a sudden. When we needed to use it today, everything else worked but there was no sound. We couldn't find out why. So I'm going to pull this apart and give it a good look over. Just give it a check over. Just see if there's any dry joints or anything in it, because it just works and it doesn't work. No sound. I've got to put in the antenna wire on this, because that's just a piece of crap. Just pops straight off. Literally popped right off. Gotta love Kmart Audio Sonic. This isn't how you make a Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth for auxiliary input, USB charge. They're supposed to stay inside here, but they popped out of the wood there, see? They're supposed to be like that, those pegs, they stay inside here, but they pop out of the wood. So cheap this thing is. Cheapest, rubbishest brand you could buy. You're better off buying a turd and polishing it. More reliable. Yeah, that's why I make my own Bluetooth speakers. Sealed enclosure, little Chinese speakers, the frame's in good nick. Cheap ass leg which is broken. I'm going to pull this apart, replace the aerial, and just check if there's any anything else wrong with it. Well, the sound cuts out all of a sudden. One sealed enclosure completely. You push this speaker, this one comes up because it's completely sealed. 3 ohms, 5 watt, generic Chinese speakers. Well, I can't get access to it taking the speakers out, so I've got to take the back apart somehow to get this off. How? I don't know. I'm bloody breaking it. Okay, here's a little circuit board here. Main version 1, remote control, IR receiver, which doesn't have a, this model doesn't have the remote control. This is a Bluetooth little device here, the Bluetooth module. Not built in, surprise it's not built in. It's soldered on a separate component. This is the amplifier chip here, which is that mark off it. RDA6807FP. They're the same chips on my Bluetooth receiver I bought when I made my Bluetooth speaker. Uses the same 5 volt that runs on. It's a 6 watt output. About 6 watts is max your push out of that thing. 2 of those is on my one for stereo. This one seems to only have that one chip for 2 speakers. What's going on with that display is there? But everything's fine. I can't see any dry joints or bulge capacitors or anything. Must just be some firmware in the radio tuner on this thing. It's all discrete components. Crystal there for the radio. The frequency and everything there. Ground, USB, USB DM. Another one. Another USB port here. Ground, USB, DP, data, and 5 volt. Hey, it's got data input to the Bluetooth chip. I wonder if we can solder a USB port onto that and somehow reprogram the Bluetooth thing and rename it, things like that. Neat. This could possibly be reprogrammable if the software allows it. It's got data for the USB directly into the Bluetooth chip on the board there. Neat. That's the first I've seen one of those. You can connect to the USB. That's kind of a neat feature. Anyway, let's go get some scrap wire for this aerial. I know why this thing cuts out. My cap's okay. No dry joints, as I said. That's just with the Chinese excrement it's made out of. Sometimes it stinks, and when it doesn't stink, it doesn't work. Okay, it says it worked okay now. I've reassigned a new wire, heavy duty wire on there, better than the original aerial wire, hot slotted it all up, waiting for a Bluetooth connection. The problem was not in this, so I couldn't find it on the circuit board. TSB 3560, really. Generic as all, get out. Ding ding. I wonder if we can change that with that USB port I was talking about. It'd be nice. Say something like the Bluetooth device was ready to pair. Let's find some stuff that is, let's have a look. NCS. NCS Masked Raver. It's probably as loud as it's going to go, and it is. Masked Raver XN2. Not much loud, is it? Cease excursion. Take the cover off for you. You cease excursion. Oh, not very powerful or loud. That's the best performance it's ever going to get. It's the best we'll get out of that. There we go. That's as loud as it goes to that song. That's a pretty loud song. NCS made a version of this song too, but I won't play too much of that version. That's the original one. That's probably copyrighted. I'll find MCS's version of that. Play the non-infringing one there. Let's see. Play a little bit, then she's done. See how she performs. NCS's version of the same song. Let's wait for a sec. Okay, NCS's version. Plenty of cover, no dimming into display or distortion. Bluetooth. Not too bad, I suppose. Could be louder. They expect for 4 watts of power. Not bad. A little bit of excursion there for you. Alright, I'll try my little lap here. Get some bass going. Well, I'm punishing it pretty good here, so it's not cutting out. That's as loud as it goes. 10 hertz, no bass. Not really responsible. Those speakers don't bass very good, so you're not getting much performance out of these little pissy little speakers. But then again, that's to do with a little amp in there too. Not necessarily always the speakers either. Anyway, she's working okay. They'll just plug it straight into line input. Radio. It's all nice and fixed now. Hasn't cut out. Had a good punishing. I think she's working quite good. I don't know why it cuts out over there when it was working. Yeah, it's loud but not that loud. Anyway, it's working okay now, so I don't know why it cut out when it did. It must just be a Chinese thing, I suppose. Anyway, put those studs back in, then they're coming out. That's a hot solid in, that's not going to pop off. Put that back on. This will go back to work tomorrow, so we can use it again. Anyway, thanks for watching.